नो बट आज समय इंपोस्टर बना ही नहीं ना तू. आज लक खराब था. आज लक की खराब
आज
था.
मैं सिर्फ चूतिया बना भाई. भाई मुझे मिला है
3 people dead.
कहाँ मिला है?
टॉप राइट पे अपने नेविगेशन के पास.
वेपन्स में.
हाँ वेपन्स में.
वेपन्स में किधर? एंट्री पे ही कि टास्क करने की कोई जगह?
जहाँ आपने मारा था भाई.
मैंने मारा था.
भाई I'll tell you why it's Tanmay. Because
बोलो.
because first of all lights off किया. Only this guy knows how to do all of those tricks.
Yes.
Second of all, so fast.
समय you do know that everybody here has played the game a few times now.
But I think I have a feeling. I'm just telling my feeling.
I have a feeling it's
Tanmay,
you
where I was. Tanmay,
because
where
you
were
have
you,
done this
Tanmay?
multiple times. You have self-reported and you have
I have
attacked
never
someone
done it,
else.
bro.
Tanmay was
I've
with
never
me.
done
I
it.
agree.
Tanmay, where were you? Tanmay, where were
He
you?
was about to kill us.
Last I was in admin. I was in
cooling
admin.
down.
Samay wanted
I
to
was
kill me. He could have
downloading
because he
admin.
was alone with me in the room.
Yeah.
He didn't kill me.
Tanmay
Yeah,
even
but you
came
do know
behind
that
me.
people can also be alone. One sec, it's not me. There is no logic to this. Stop fucking
I
attacking
think
me.
it's Samay. I think
See,
it's Samay, guys.
There is exactly. Samay,
I'll
why
tell
would
you
you
the
attack
logic.
me for
It's
be
not
no logic?
Jose because look at him. Right.
Then we're not going to do it based on looks.
Three
That's
right, man.
I accept this. I accept this verdict.
Even though he has imposters on his head.
Yeah, what the fuck? Why can't it
Who
be
else
Jose?
can you guys
Who
think can kill
else?
3 people and
Can't
get away
be
with
me.
it?
Baba, I also think that people who are new to the game, when they become imposters, they also like to kill very quickly.
Yeah.
So
And
that's
they-
also there. So it's not necessary that it is only someone who's played a lot. So
Also,
by
is
that
it-
logic, Samay, it could be you also.
Yeah,
I'm
मैं तो
telling
1
you,
साल से
I
खेल
think
रहा
it's a very bad player. So I think it could be Samay.
I think it's Samay as well.
But Samay could have killed me, guys. He was with me in the room.
I
He
didn't,
kill me. Why
it's
would he do
not
that?
me, man. See,
That's why I'm
again,
saying he's a bad player. He should have killed you.
I'm
Guys,
telling you-
Cyril has been really quiet, huh? Cyril has been damn
Cyril
quiet.
is on a
Cyril is
different
inside.
Counter-Strike mission, yeah.
Yeah.
That's because, guys, I died again.
12 seconds later.
अरे
Who's called? Who's called? Kanis, you were with me.
emergency meeting. So
No.
जैसे
fast.
दबाया ना,
For
छुआ
what?
भी है.
Okay.
Who's
I
called?
called
There's
for
no
the
body.
emergency.
Cyril को कहीं use दिखा रहा
I
है,
called
Cyril
for the
Cyril.
emergency meeting. So let me explain, guys. I thought I was killed, but apparently I didn't get killed because the killer missed me because I know who the killer is. So here's the deal. In the first round, I saw Jose coming out of a vent and then he chased me, but he killed, but he had my mistake instead of me, and I thought I was dead. I didn't do anything this round.
Unmelting Jose, come on.
Can
I'm voting
I
Jose,
say
finish this.
something?
Sorry,
Yeah.
Jose.
What are you saying? I did not kiss you. I swear.
I'm
No
sure it was
subtlety
Jose.
whatsoever.
Oh, bhai.
I was rejected.
ये गोस्ट में इम्पोस्टर लोग का गोस्ट और क्रूमेट लोग का गोस्ट सेम है क्या?
किसका?
अरे भाई, there's just 3 people left.
Tanmay, it's Tanmay.
Final vote.
It's not me. Kanis, I swear it's not me. It's not me. It is Sapan.
It's Sapan.
It's Sapan.
It's Sapan.
It's Sapan. Sapan, you've been quietly fucking murdering, dude.
I was right behind Kanis.
No, but why would you assume it's me?
It was Sapan.
Why would you assume it's me? There's no reason for you to attack. There is no reason for you to attack except the fact that it's you. It's Sapan. Kanis, I'm voting Sapan. It's so clearly you. It's so clearly you. Sapan, there was no reason for you to attack.
It's Sapan.
There was no reason for you to attack. Kanis, vote. Finish this shit.
This is Tanmay being aggro. 100%.
Sapan, you're so
Very
bad
anxious.
at this game.
It's Tanmay. 110%.
You're so bad at this game. And Kaniz, I'm so sorry, my love. I love you. But
Kanis, you're so bad at this game.
कैसा रह गया तुम्हें?
He was there with us. Sapan was there with us when he आया.
करीज के सारे जज्बात पलट गए भाई एक सेकंड में.
okay, serial से गान फटी मेरी. Okay, it's not serial.
Storage cafeteria reactor. Okay.
Fuck me.
I used reverse imposter psychology.
चलो भाई चलो.
Cyril, I noticed you're
एक और
fixing
win
something, but
मिलेगा.
you're facing the other way. तो अपना गांड से fix कर रहा है क्या?
So
Cyril,
who are
be
we
absent.
fixing light in electrical?
I came there to fix the lights.
I was with.
मैं भी फिक्स करने ट्राई करा था लेकिन वो ग्रीन मेरे को बंद चालू करने को नहीं आता. But
Flippity switches ना.
yeah, it's very confusing. That's what I think Akash came and said कि okay, now I'm speaking too much for to be an imposter. also guys, ये लाइट ऑफ करने का तन्मय पे ये होता है ना.
Talent
तो
है,
मैं तन्मय
talent
के
है.
साथ मैं तन्मय के कोई फॉलो करूंगा. अगर मैं मर गया तो मतलब तन्मय.
Done, done. आजा आजा भाई आजा.
Signature death move है उसका.
अरे यार अब तेरे को मार देगा तो मुझ पे शक आ जाएगा यार. ये मैच गलत है. गाइस मेरे साथ और भी कोई आओ यार. मेरे को नहीं घूमने का अकेला जोएल के साथ.
डबल किल होगा फिर डबल किल.
तन्मय only mostly.
I don't know if
देखो,
how I should
तन्मय-
take this compliment.
मैं तन्मय को फॉलो करके मैं मर गया तो तन्मय हूँ. ठीक है.
A few moments later.
कैफेटेरिया.
I was ready to
कैफेटेरिया में बॉडी. कैफेटेरिया में बॉडी.
कैफेटेरिया में
मैंने कहा मारा कैफेटेरिया में भाई. मैंने एडमिन में टास्क किया फिर लाइट बंद होते होते मैं कैफेटेरिया में था. कैफेटेरिया में घूम रहा था. मैं राइट नेविगेशन की तरफ जा रहा था. वहां पे राइट लेने का जो स्लिट होता है वहां पे बॉडी मिला.
सांस लो तन्मय. I
Only
feel like
lies
whenever
and
Tanmay
what
gets like this,
transpired
na,
10 seconds ago has detail.
whenever Tanmay gets like this, na, I feel like कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
Jose,
I've been keeping track of. Yes, Tanmay. कुछ
I
बोलना
reported the
चाहेंगे?
body, so I'm throwing out all detail because I don't know if you guys have seen, but Joel is dead, and I'm so panicky that people are going to catch me because Joel is dead. That's why I'm like, these are all the details that I can possibly give to prove my innocence. I am so fucking
But
annoyed.
I have to say, Tanmay would be the only one to also kill Joel, irrespective of him being pointed out as well.
Yeah.
Joel died. Oh. Why you killed Joel?
I did kill
Yeah.
Joel.
Where's the knife, Tanmay?
Samay, why did you kill Joel?
No, I didn't kill
It
Joel.
seems
I killed,
far too convenient.
Akash. Hey, no, I didn't kill
तेरे
him.
को मजा आ रहा है इसके लिए. It would be very funny if you were an imposter.
I like Samay is like, hey, no, I didn't kill anyone.
No, he said I killed Akash. Oh, you killed Akash.
Oh, was that? You think that's a funny joke to make?
Yeah, hold on. 2000 IQ gameplay.
2000 IQ gameplay होगा. I'm voting Samay because I think
Max,
he's being
not
very
me.
sly.
It's not me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
समय ऐसा हरकत तू ही करेगा जानबूझ के.
Eliminate a strong player.
Guys, vote quickly.
Just for the
You are
audacity of
eliminating a
getting it.
strong player. You are eliminating a
Oh
strong
no.
player.
समय you're so sly.
अरे
भाई समय is so
पछताओगे
sly.
भाई. I'm telling you it's Tanmay again.
मैं नहीं हूँ भाई. इस बार मैं पक्का नहीं हूँ.
गलती कर दी भाई मुंह खोल के.
Oh shit, this is not looking good. Oh, it was.
I told you.
You guys, fuck you guys again.
Guys, stop believing Tanmay.
Fuck you.
मैंने इतना
Tanmay.
सिंपल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था मैं मर गया.
Very well done.
Well done. The devil's in the detail. This
Guys, should we eliminate Tanmay now only?
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
Calling for emergency
आ
meeting.
जाओ, आ
Tanmay is
जाओ.
like Moriarty. वो
Yeah, let's
सबके
do that.
सामने करता है.
बस एक
Okay. Okay. I have a witness.
someone saw.
अरे तन्मय को.
इतना जल्दी?
Come on, guys. Come on.
Who?
Get it.
Akash
Get it.
again.
Anis and Sapan died. Lovely.
नहीं नहीं आकाश नहीं मारा क्योंकि आकाश मेरे सामने ही सिक्योरिटी में गया उसके बच्चे को लेकर.
बच्चे का इमोशनल एंगल कहाँ से आ गया यार?
तन्मय ने कहाँ मारा?
नहीं इस बार मैं नहीं हूँ मैंने
I think- So the
इलेक्ट्रिकल में लाइट फिक्स किया जोएल और आकाश के साथ.
So three.
How do you put it off?
The sabotage.
No, you have to put all the lights. Lights का green color on रहना चाहिए. That's when the lights go. Lights come
And how
back
do you
on.
put it off, Tanmay? How do you do this time?
Baba, me and you were.
You guys, you better vote out a killer because I'm
I
not
voted
gonna die
for
just so
Tanmay.
you guys don't
अब
vote.
अपना अपना देख लो भाई.
It's Samay. I'm
कोई
convinced.
शर्म करो
I'm
भाई.
convinced. This time it's Samay.
थोड़ी मर्यादा.
Guys, how can you vote for me with no proof?
Wow.
No one come.
Fucking Sahil! You watch Sahil's face, guys! You watch it! Because it's such a giveaway his face!
Can I
was
just say
too far
how
for
much
the
fun
reactor.
it was turning off the lights and then letting Tanmay just be thrown out of the ship?
समय. तू ठीक है. Clearly तू.
I agree to it. 100% भाई.
You'll see.
Can't believe this.
ये bulls क्या कह रहे थे?
Life's crazy यार.
Jose, mother.
That was hard.